everyone, welcome back to Phonics. Now today, everything that you do can be with me on the video. So make sure you've got your pencil and your paper needs to have lines if possible, or your whiteboard and your pen, and you can always draw lines on there too, because everything we're going to do together today. So let's get cracking. The first thing that we're going to do is remember groups 2 and 3 of our letter sounds. And then we're going to practice some tricky letters, and I'm going to help to make sure that you know how to make those letters with your pencil or pen. And last thing we're going to do is sound out and write 3 words together. If you then feel like doing some more, of course I'd love to see it, but you don't have to today. So let's just start quickly with groups 2 and 3. Pause the video here and make sure that you can say all of these letter sounds. And if you can, remember the gestures too. Pause the video. Well done, everybody. You should have said all of the sounds from group 2 and 3. If there were any that you were stuck on, make sure you practice those ones a little bit more. All right, so get your pencil and your paper out now, or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen, and the first thing it says to do here is to write your name. Try and remember what we've been talking about with making your tall letters tall and your small letters small and keeping them the same height. So while you're writing your name now, I will write my name. Off we go. If one of your letters is a bit small or not as good as the others, like my eh, then you can always try it again, just for practice. Keep trying until it looks the way you want it to look. Okay, everyone, if you've not quite finished yet, then do pause the video so that you can press play when you've finished your name. We're going to practice some sounds now, and the first sound that I'd like you to write on your paper is So without looking, can you remember what looks like? Write it on your page now. I'm going to help you now. It's there. So check your paper and look at my Have you written it just like me? If you've already finished, why not try another one? Down, back up, over the hill, over the hill. Try and keep your 2 hills the same height. When you finish the next letter that you need to write is D. Try not to peek. Can you write D? I'll give you a hint. It's a caterpillar letter. Just to help you now then, here's a D. Let's try writing another one. Let's make sure we're all doing it the same. We need a caterpillar. Up tall, 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 and down for the tail. It's okay if yours is tall like mine all the way up to the line. This one's a little bit short. If you finished already, then do another one. Caterpillar, up tall, 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 and down for the tail. Well done, everybody. We've done and D. The next letter I'd like you to write is another caterpillar letter, except this one's tail goes under the line. I'd like to see G, please. Write G and try not to peek. Check out mine if you would like to, and let's write another G together. Caterpillar, join it up, and a very long tail underneath. If you've already finished, then crack on and do another one. G. Well done, everybody. If one of your letters isn't quite the way you'd like it, then try and make a nice one now. Okay, we're moving on to our next letter. And this is one of our newest letters. It is B. B. Remember, B is a tall letter. You start at the top, come down, back up kidogo and around for the tummy. So try writing B without looking now. I'm also going to write B. I'm starting at the top, down, back up kidogo and around. When you've finished, do another one with me. It's okay if you need to watch me one time. Has everyone made some nice B letters? I hope so. There's one more tricky one from the start of this week, and I'm going to show you right away because is such a tricky letter to write. Watch me do one first. Try writing. Maybe you need a grown-up to put a little dot for you to know where to start. It's a bit like a stretched out S. Let's practice a few of these. Well done, keep going. I'm going to make sure that I've done 5. Please, can you also do 5 letters? All right, everybody. Now that we've practiced some of our most tricky letters, we're going to write 3 words. Only 3 words? If you would like to do more afterwards, of course I'd love to see it. But for now, I only really want to see these 3. If you want to, you can get your flashcards out now, and you can pause me as much as you need to. The first word I'd like you to write is got. First, you need to sound out got, and then write it. Pause the video. Okay, I hope that you have written got now. You should have sounded out g, o, t. Can you check as I sound out? Look at your writing. G, o, t. I'm going to write it here too now so that you can check. G. O. T. Well done if yours looks the same as mine. If you needed a bit of help, don't worry. Let's try the next one. The next word is bug. Bug. First, sound out bug and then write it. Pause the video. I'm going to sound out bug. B, a, g. B, a, g. Let me sound out as I write. B, A, G. Well done, everyone. We've only got one word left. While you're writing this word, I'd like you to think really hard about the tall letters meeting the top line, the small letters staying down lower, and the tail letters going under the line. Your word that you need to sound out is log, like the frog sat on the log. Sound out log and then write it. Pause the video. I'm going to sound out log. O, O, G. O, O, G. Check with your writing that it looks the same as mine. O, O, G. Well done, everyone. Today we've practiced some really tricky letters and we've written 3 words. You've done a fantastic job. Send me a picture on Class Dojo of all of the phonics that you get up to today. Bye.